Girl. Hey gems, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, and be sure to hit that subscribe and bell notification button so that you are notified every single time that I post. In today's video, I'm going to be making a turmeric scrub, and if you want to make this yourself, it's really easy. All you need is some turmeric, some sugar, and your oil of choice. I do recommend using a preservative because this does come in contact with water, and a preservative is just going to help fight against bacteria, get it into your product and making your product go bad really fast. But if you want to make a small batch, you probably won't need a preservative, especially if you're going to use it every day. But the benefits of turmeric, it has so many benefits, you guys. It's full of vitamin C. It helps fight against hyperpigmentation. It's great for acne. It's great for getting rid of stretch marks. It's so many things good about turmeric. I even take turmeric vitamins with black pepper as well. That's something I incorporated into my health routine this year. But yeah, you guys, I'm just adding some olive oil. I am making this for my business. This is part of the batch that I'm going to be sending out to my friend to test, as well as myself. I did make a turmeric scrub before, which I do sell, and it's a foaming turmeric scrub. But none of my scrubs, they don't have any fragrance. They have natural fragrances because we don't want to add fragrance into products that can be used on your face. So I don't add any fragrance into my scrubs. I also added some Arrowroot powder. This is just going to help against the oiliness of the product and take away some of that greasy feeling, because I did use a lot of oils in this mixture. If you haven't seen my coffee scrub video, I didn't use as much as I did in that video because this scrub is not as abrasive. But I did incorporate a lot of oils, and I didn't want it to be, greasy. But me and my friend will be testing this out. But you can also make this at home yourself. And right here, I'm just testing the consistency, seeing how I like it so far, and I'm adding more oil to it. This is a super easy DIY that you can make at home. Also follow my business page on Instagram to see if I will be releasing this scrub in the future. And if you don't want to make it yourself, you probably can buy it from me if I come out with it, if we have good results. But I know we will, because turmeric is amazing. Plus with the oils that I'm using in this mixture, it's going to be the bomb. So yeah, if you made it this far in the video, thank you for watching. Be sure to like the video, comment to let me know if you're going to make this yourself, and if you like this video, leave me down any video suggestions. And thank you for watching. Bye.